Hello everyone. I only have 15 minutes to record all the information, so I might speak quickly sometimes. If you have any questions, please email me. You have my email address. We are going to finish the class that some of you started already. This is good. You have the paper versions. You can print the copies I sent in the attachment if you can, or please just follow on your computer and write all your answers on a piece of paper. At the end, you can photo this piece of paper or write directly everything and send it to me in an email directly to me, not to the group. In case you didn't come to school last week, please start by doing this reading exercise. It's all about a night to remember. We have 3 photographs. Here. And you start reading here. It is an interview with different people from different countries talking about a night they always remember. They both answer 7 questions, the same 7 questions. You need to read their answers and decide what was question 1, question 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put the numbers here. Pause the video and do this part of the exercise if you haven't done it yet. Okay, I hope you have done the exercise. Here are the answers. Question 1 is, when was it? Where were you? Question 2, who were you with? Question 3, what did you wear? Question 4, what did you do? Question 5, what was the weather like? Question 6, what time did you get back? Question 7, why was it a memorable night? I hope you got all the answers correct. Now we will move to page 2 and look at some grammar. I'm sorry, it looks a bit strange. All these words are in the present. You can find the past of these words all here. Please stop the video, find the past of all these words and write them on your paper or on this page. You actually have here some help with the pronunciation. Stop the video to do this part. Next, I will say each word. Please repeat to help your pronunciation. Okay, so please repeat after me. Can, could, come, came, feel, felt, get, got, go, went, have, had, hear, heard, know, knew, leave, left, lose, lost, meet, met, see, saw, speak, spoke, teach, taught, wear, wore. Okay, now more grammar practice. Let's go to page 3. So we are looking at the past simple of irregular verbs. Okay, verbs with no ed at the end in the past. Instead, the word changes completely. For example, go changes to went. But the past is normal. Didn't go. Okay? Look at the examples. All of them. Read this information. Then try these three exercises. A, B, and C. In exercise A, you read and you put the verb each time into the past. Last weekend, I go to London. No, in the past, I went to London. For B, you make questions in the past. Did you go out last night? Yes, I did. Each time, the answer gives you help to make the question. What did you wear last night? I wore jeans. Okay. And in exercise C, you correct the information with the word in brackets. So, the example, they got home at midnight. No, 11 p.m. So, we can say in the negative, they didn't get home at midnight. And positive, they got home at 11. Repeat this each time. Please write your answers and email me them. Now, after that, when you're ready, we have a listening about, you remember this man we saw celebrating in the first page? Now we can hear him explaining the story of his night. Okay? You can play this as many times as you need. Okay? The first time you listen, answer 2 questions. Where was he? Why was it a memorable night? Then play again, or as many times as necessary, to find the answers to change the incorrect information. For example, number 1, it was on the 11th of August. No, it was on the 11th of July. Playing the recording now.
3.60. When was your memorable night?
Te puedo decir exactamente, fue el 11 de julio del 2010.
I can tell you exactly. It was the 11th of July 2010.
Why do you remember the date?
Because it was the final of the Football World Cup. Spain against Holland.
Where were you?
Well, I'm a flight attendant, and that day I was in Acapulco in Mexico.
Who were you with?
I was with 3 other Spanish flight attendants.
Where did you go to watch the match?
We didn't go out. We watched the match in the hotel bar.
And what did you wear to watch the match?
We wore Spanish football shirts, which we bought in a shop. And we also had red and yellow scarves.
Tell me about the night. What did you do?
Well, the match was on in the afternoon, Mexican time. We went down to the hotel bar early to get a good seat. There was a big screen. The bar was full of Spanish tourists. There was a great atmosphere.
And Spain won the match, of course.
Yes. It wasn't a good match, but when Spain got their winning goal, everybody shouted and jumped up. It was amazing. When the match finished, we all went out. We wanted to celebrate. We went to another bar near the beach, and it was full of Spanish people. Everyone was really happy. We had a great party.
What was the weather like? Do you remember?
Yes, it was a warm night. About 20 degrees, I think.
What time did you get back to your hotel?
I can't remember exactly, but very late. About 3 in the morning. Luckily, I had a free day the next day, so I didn't need to get up early.
Why was this night so memorable?
First, of course, because Spain won their first World Cup, but also because of the circumstances. We were very far away from Spain, thousands of kilometres away in another country, but we all felt very Spanish that night.
Okay, now repeat this part again and again, as many times as you need to find the information to make these sentences correct. Okay, when you have finished that, I will explain the next thing. You can stop the video now. Okay, the next part we look at go, have, and get. Can you remember these phrases about Mehmet in Istanbul? Write went, had, or got. Stop the video and think. Which word each time? Went, had, or got? Do it now. Well done. So the answers are we went to a great place. 2. We had dinner and after we had a coffee. 3. Then we went to the beach and we had a swim. Number 4. I got home really late at 5 in the morning. After this, please look at the last page. Here you will see lots of pictures, 25 pictures. Look at all these pictures and put them together with a phrase on the left. Then think, do we say go by bus, have by bus, or get by bus? They are all in different sections. One is go, have, or get. You decide. I will send the answers to you next time. And to finish, on the second page, we can look at this part. First, make questions. A memorable night. They give you help. When, it. Who, you. Okay. Pause the video and make the 9 questions. I will tell you the answers in a minute. Okay, I hope you have your questions. The answers are: when was it? Where were you? Who were you with? What did you wear? Where did you go? What did you do? What was the weather like? What time did you get home? Why was it a memorable night? These are very similar to the questions for Maria Julia and Mehmet from Turkey we saw at the start. But now I want you to write the writing. Please write about a night you remember. If you answer all these questions, then I will have a nice story to read. So think of answers to all these questions and write about a night you will never forget. Please send the writing to me by email or a photo of your writing on a page. We will do the speaking parts when we can have normal class again. Okay, everybody, stay safe. Speak soon. Bye.